Welcome back to another adequate unboxing video. We're taking a look at the Apple Watch Series 4, and as you can see here we got the Nike Plus edition, I guess. Now this does include an Apple Watch, so that's nice. Let's go ahead and peel this back. I love these added on features that just make it really nice and easy. Like a dream. Okay, I can get this. Yeah, there we go. A nice matte box underneath that shiny plastic. And the guy in the store said I just gotta pull these two tab things here and it'll open right up. Almost. Yep, got that. There we go. Yeah, maybe just that goes. Is this a pull? This is a pull action. Ah, it's a, yeah. He made it sound like it was one hand each side kind of thing, but I see. It's a two-handed. This folds back. Ooh, you see that? Got some Apple Watches, and this you can. Oh, okay. Is it blown out there? Yeah, that's a nice Apple. That's nice. Let's start with the instructions. Designed for athletes. I don't know if I'm an athlete. I will be an athlete, I guess. I own this now. Got the charger with the, yep, got the old block here. Comes with pretty much anything from Apple. Let's look inside here, shall we? Instructions. Okay, cool. Let's see the good stuff. I would love to see it. Okay. Huh. Yeah, bigger. Maybe I should have gone with the 40, but you can see there it's got a nice little. So now I just. This is. Their packaging looks nice, but this is hard to get out. Maybe it's me. Ah, I see. See this little cutout here? Yeah, I think you're supposed to put that on the box and then pull. There it is in all its glory. Press and hold for Siri to say, I don't want. You see that? Let me see if I've been in there. Press and hold. I can't even tell it's in focus. Okay. Hey! Let's get the watch band out. Really, really nice packaging. Some more instructions. Really nice graphics on here. They had a small, medium, and then a medium large. We're not going to need this small one here. We're just going to go for the large. There we go. It's nice. Comes with a plastic thing on it. Yep. It's good. Now let's check on the old Apple Watch here. Low battery, huh? Well, that's okay. Simply putting on the watch band. It's a nice fit. And just wrap it around 2 or 3 times. Oh, yeah, well, I guess there's a small. That's fine though. I already pulled out the large. So Apple Watch has just got these nice little tabs. That's for taking it off. You can see here. But we're just going to slide this right on. Yep, just right. There we have it. The Apple Watch. Once again, it's a Series 4. This does have cellular. I'm very excited to try this bad boy out. Maybe I should have gone with the 40mm.